Do you remember the time when you were a kid, running around the school playground all the times, never rest for a single second during the day? Well, that puts a lot of pressure on school shoes, especially when you can look at the tip of the shoe, the leather has been worn out, revealing the white inside. Today we're going to fix, polish and restore those leather shoes. Let's give the shoe a quick inspection, and we decide to use a leather filler. The filler has a paste-like consistency and can go into the little gaps and cracks of leather to fill them up. And I'm just using an oil painting tool to push the filler into the cracks and gaps in the leather. You might want to smooth them out as much as you can because we're going to sand it later. By the way, I noticed some viewers ask me, where do I get my stuff? I want to answer it in this video. Because I'm bilingual, I can understand Chinese, so I got lots of supplies directly from Taobao.com. And it's not that I don't want to share the link or anything. I don't make any profit from this video. It's just that it'll be very hard for you to read those item descriptions and buy those items online. So my suggestion is you can search online to find the local supplier. Usually there are wholesale, cobbler or shoemaker suppliers if you live in one of the major cities in the world. If you want to search online, just use the term leather filler. I think you can find it. By the way, if you like this video so far, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. I don't have any sponsor to this channel. I simply want to share what I've learned in the DIY space and hope you like it. You can see I'm well into the sanding process. After the leather filler has dried, I use a 800 grit sandpaper to sand the large pieces off, and I touch the leather, use my finger to make sure it's smooth. After I feel it's reasonably smooth, I switch to a 2000 grit sandpaper to give it a polished finish. If you're wondering why my hands are moving so fast, it's not because I have superpower. Yes, I changed the speed of the video to 200% just so that you, my viewers, are not bored. Here you can see I've started to open the leather color. I bought a bottle of leather color in black, which is perfect for this job. The leather color has a watery consistency, so I can just brush it out using a small brush. It's a very simple process. Just make sure you cover all the places that the leather filler has been applied on and wait for the leather color to dry. In my experience, the coloring agent dries very quickly. In about 5 to 10 minutes, you can apply the second coat. Now, as you can see on the screen, the leather color will make the leather look shinier than the original condition. So if you don't like the transition between the old and the new conditions, feel free to apply leather coloring all over the shoe twice. After the leather coloring, I applied a color sealer to the surface of the leather. This will help prevent the color from being rubbed off very easily. So when you are buying leather color from a supplier, remember to buy some sealers as well. Once the sealer is dried, the last step is to use some silicone waterproof sprayer to the shoe. That will enhance the color as well as protecting the shoe from dust. It doesn't protect your shoes from your kids though. I've actually recorded a few more shoe repair and shoe maintenance videos. I just don't have time to edit them and put them on YouTube yet. So if you don't want to miss out on my future DIY videos, please subscribe to my channel so that when I upload a video, they're going to be pushed to you automatically. I'll see you next time. Bye.